Stop the bus! I can live with that.
Fucking gay?
I'm tired! Die, you cis white scum! I'm gonna talk to my lawyer, don't you misgender!
If I want to win the hearts and minds of the people, I need to change my image. But how?
I can't believe it's finally here!
Shut up and take my money!
I want to die.
Listen to him. They're in limit.
Copies of the new Tommy Thunder video game to go around.
Smash! Smash! It's a side-scrolling strategy platformer full of twists, turns, and egg puns. To beat it, you need to collect all 7...
I'm gay!
Glad I thought of it.
That's why you're the boss, sir.
But who do I know that stands a chance at defeating Sonic the Hedgehog? Shadow, I have a proposition for you.
Fine, sir.
The only way we're gonna get Shadow for my plan is if he thinks Sonic's been talking mad trash about him. Hey, Sonic! What do you think of Shadow the Hedgehog? I mean, ew, right?
I want to die.
Oh, Shadow!
You again?
Just wanted to let you know I ran into our old pal Sonic today, and he did not have the nicest things to say about you.
Shadow? He is
Gay! Shall not stand. Sonic.
Already on it? Then you'll go beat up Team Sonic, right?
I want to die.
walks into a bar, and the bartender says, "Hey, no animals in here!"
Knuckles, what happened?
If I had to guess,
I want to die.
into a wall.
Correction. Pummeled into a wall.
Shadow!
Don't you misgender!
I took that shadow boxing class.
I'm gay.
Any last words, Sonic?
Yeah. Volpingers!
That doesn't even make it for the things you said about me.
You mean that stuff Eggman recorded? I didn't say anything bad.
What are you implying?
I don't know, what are you inferring?
That Eggman manipulated that footage to manipulate me?
Yeah, he'll do that.
I cannot allow Eggman to make a fool of me. He must pay for this.
How the battle came out? What the?
It was at this moment Jackson knew. He fucked up.
Your new longer.
Die, you cis white scum! I'm gonna talk to my lawyer, don't you misgender!
Pingers!
Steve, quick, transform into me!
What are you, fucking gay? I want to die.
There you are, Blue Beaver! Finally, I can take you on one-on-one.
Finally? We fight all the time. Oh, wait, are you that emo Eggman from the alternate dimension?
Eggman, you shall perish for tricking me.
Whoa, 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 I didn't trick you. I don't even know who you are.
Your elaborate costume doesn't fool me.
Oh, I get it. The Eggman you're looking for is in another dimension.
There's Eggman.
Oh, shit.
You celebrating like the game's been won. This is only the beginning of the end.
All right, kinda cryptic, Shadow. You...
It's no use! I'll melt the bridge! It's the dream.